I'm sitting at 20% battery. I might just let it die and just stay out here. Who knows? I guess that way. Well, wet socks, wet boots, who cares? At the end of the day, still had a great time, enjoyed the hike, and I really did enjoy putting this video together for you guys. That being said, I really do want to show my appreciation. I listed my first week's subscribers down below, so really thank you guys so much for making this all come happen. big shout out to the folks that are still watching. Thank you so much for your support. I'll be sure to make sure to give a shout out on the next, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This is all love. People don't know this about me, but I do plan on making YouTube a full-time gig once I am done with the military. So let's go ahead and hit that goal of 200 subscribers. Look out for that next video. Other than that, stay blessed. Thank you so much for your time. And I do highly recommend you guys checking out that Commando trail on Fort Drum.